Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Google AI Studio. This is really helpful if you want to generate content, test prompts, or build AI workflows using Google's newest AI tools. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to the official site, which is on aistudio.google.com. And once you're here, from your home dashboard, on the left sidebar, you will see playground, dashboard, documentation, build, where you can create your projects and all that stuffs. So yeah, basically, at the top you will see the model selector where you can choose your um where you can choose your model. So for example, you want to choose Gemini 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, Gemini Flash Latest, or whatsoever. So yeah, you can basically just choose any model that you want for your AI. So if you want to create a new project, just go ahead and look for just go ahead and click your dashboard, and once you're here you will see projects, and what you will have to do is click create a new project, and of course you can name your project whatever you want, and once you're done naming them you will just have to click create new project. And yeah, that's basically just it. And the projects, by the way, store your prompts, your API usage, and generated content. And yeah, so if you want to rename it, you can just rename it whenever you want. And if you want to copy your project ID, you can just click this. And if you also want to import your projects, you could do it by clicking this button right here. And yeah, that's basically just it. And next, if you want to use this playground feature, so basically here you could choose your model, your so if it's available for you, Gemini 2.0 Flash or Gemini 3 Pro or Nano Banana Pro. Yeah, so there are a lot that you can choose from, and yeah, that's basically how you can do it. So you could also insert assets such as images, videos, folders, files, or audio, so that the AI would generate something for you, or would provide you answers to your questions or analyze anything for you. So yeah, you could basically do anything you want here. So yeah, if you want to maximize the whole website, you could just explore it yourself, so that you won't be missing out anything. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.